In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview your shop in Shopify. This process is incredibly straightforward, yet knowing this tip can save you a lot of time and helps ensure your online store appears just as you'd like it. Let's dive right in and guide you through these easy steps. So, you've already logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, and now you're ready to see how your storefront will look to your customers. The first thing you want to do on your Shopify admin dashboard is to take a look at the left-hand panel. As you navigate your eyes over this panel, you'll find a section labeled Online Store. This part of the dashboard is crucial because it's where all your themes, preferences, and customizations live. Now, let's proceed by hovering over this Online Store option. As you do this, you'll notice that a small eye icon magically appears next to the Online Store. Here's a helpful tip. Whenever you see that eye, it's your direct link to viewing your shop in all its glory. The eye icon is designed to make previewing your store simple and fast. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on that eye icon. With just this one click, you'll be transported to your very own site just as any visitor would see it. And there you have it. You're now viewing your shop exactly how your customers will see it. This function is especially useful after you've made changes to your shop's design or layout and you want to ensure that everything is displaying correctly. Whether it's checking if images are aligning properly, verifying that texts are legible, or simply getting that overall feel of your shop from a shopper's perspective. That's all it takes. You've just previewed your shop in Shopify with ease. Remember, whenever you're making tweaks to your online store, utilizing the eye icon is a quick way to ensure everything is up to your standards before it goes live to your audience. This simple practice is a perfect part of an ongoing routine to keep your storefront polished and welcoming. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you're all set to preview and evaluate your store's design and functionality quickly. Feel free to revisit this method whenever you need to double-check how your shop looks and operates. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful, easy-to-follow tutorials. Until next time, keep innovating and enhancing your online store.